ओम अनिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तम् स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः स्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। श्लोक नंबर 110। ननु स्वग्राहकस्यापि ग्राह्यत्वे साक्षिणोऽपि ग्राह्यत्वं ततश्च अनवस्थे त्याशंक्य। पूर्व पक्ष said, why do you need a separate sakshi? The grahaka, pramata, grahya, prameya, grahanam, they will do paraspar siddhi. So Siddhanti said, no, they cannot know their own utpatti, nasha, etc. So you need a separate sakshi. Now he says, Purvapakshi, swagrahakasyapi grahyatve. Swasya grahaka is sakshi. If that sakshi also becomes grahya, then sakshinopi grahyatvam. So, or you take it this way, ghata grahaka is chaitra. Chaitra grahaka is sakshi. Sakshi also will become grahya, will need another grahaka. Tatasya anavastha, then anavastha will come. Iti ashankya. Tasya jadatvena स्वतः सिद्धौ अन्यानपेक्षत्वात् मैवम इति परिहरति. They all are jada. Tasya ajadatvena. Tasya, they all are jada, but Sakshi is ajada. Sakshi is ajada, so Sakshi does not need something else for its siddhi. Those which are jada, they need something else for their siddhi. Ajadatvena swatah siddhau. Sakshi is ajada, therefore swatah siddha. Anya anapekshatvat. It does not have anya apeksha. Therefore, there is no question of anavastha. Maivam iti pariharati. ग्राहकादेरन्य साक्षी पूर्वकत्व सिद्धेः स्वसाक्षिणो अपि अन्य साक्षी पूर्वकत्वाद् अनवस्थेति चेत् तन्न. ग्राहकादेः अन्य साक्षी पूर्वकत्व सिद्धेः. ग्राहकादि सिद्धि is through अन्य साक्षी पूर्वक. स्वसाक्षिणो अपि अन्य साक्षी पूर्वकत्वात्, and स्वसाक्षी is anya sakshi purvaka. Anything that will become sakshi requires another sakshi. Like chaitra is sakshi of ghata. Chaitra needs another sakshi. So then that sakshi will need another sakshi, that is swasakshino anya sakshi purvakatvam. Therefore there will be anavastha iti chet tanna. साक्षिणो व्यतिरिक्त हेतु अनपेक्षत्वात्. For a sakshi, व्यतिरिक्त हेतु अपेक्षा is not there. व्यतिरिक्त हेतु means व्यतिरिक्त हेतु for siddhi. Something else is required for its siddhi. It is not true. अनपेक्षत्वादतः धीवन्नापेक्षते सिद्धि मात्मान्यस्मादविक्रियः निरपेक्षमपेक्ष्यैव सिद्ध्यन्त्यन्येन तु स्वयम् जीवन्नापेक्षते सिद्धि मात्मान्यस्मादविक्रियः निरपेक्षमपेक्ष्यैव सिद्ध्यन्त्यन्येन तु स्वयम्। आत्मा धीवत् सिद्धिं न अपेक्षते। अन्यस्मात् सिद्धिं न अपेक्षते। तस्मात् अविक्रियः। अविक्रियः आत्मा, आत्मा विच इज अविकारी, अन्यस्मात् सिद्धि न अपेक्षते। इट डज नॉट expect siddhi of its own from something else. Somebody else has to approve, yes, Sakshi is there. There is no need. Like buddhi, व्यतिरेकी दृष्टांत और वैधर्म्य दृष्टांत. Unlike buddhi, which needs anya, and that buddhi is vikari. Sakshi is avikari, does not expect something else for its siddhi. निरपेक्षम अपेक्षैव सिद्ध्यन्ति अन्ये न तु स्वयं. अन्ये निरपेक्षम अपेक्षैव सिद्ध्यन्ति, स्वयं न सिद्ध्यन्ति. The others, how is their siddhi happening? They depend upon something else. What is it that they depend upon? They depend upon that which itself is nirapeksha. Nirapeksham apekshaiva अन्ये tu siddhyanti. Na tu swayam. So swayam na siddhyanti. In this way you can do the anvaya. Sitika. बुद्ध्यादिर यथा जड़त्वात् स्वसिद्धिम अन्यस्माद् अपेक्षते नैवम आत्मा स्वप्रकाशः. बुद्ध्यादि दे आर जड़, जड़त्वात् स्वसिद्धिम अन्यस्मात् अपेक्षते. So jada vastu needs something else for its own siddhi. Siddhi means its existence. That I am existing, somebody else has to tell me. Somebody else has to give me satta, then I will be existing. Atma is not like that. Naivam Atma, Swaprakasha. Swasiddhim anyasmat na apekshate ityartha. Swasiddhim anyasmat na is there from Naivam ityartha. Anyasham sarvesham atmagrahyattvena atmagrahakatva yogacha nanya grahyatvam atmana ityaha. All the others, anyasham sarvesham atmagrahyatvena, they are vishaya of atma. They become known by atma. Therefore they are incapable of becoming atmagrahaka. Atmagrahakatva yogacha nanya grahyatvam atmanaha. Therefore atmanaha anya grahyatvam na. There is no other by which atma will become grahya. इदानीं पूर्वप्रसादितस्य इतरेतराध्यासस्य फलम् उपसंहरति. So earlier there was a topic on, in this chapter itself, Anyonya Adhyasa. Remember this, I had given Naishkarmya Siddhi, second chapter summary. So this Adhyasa Prakarana, 54 to 57, then 96 to 104. These shlokas where Adhyasa topic came. So now he says, it's phalam. Phalam means not adhyasasya phalam, adhyasa nivritti phalam, that you have to understand. And this is a beautiful portion here. Yato grahakadishu atma bhavo avidya nibandhana eva. Tasmat. Yataha, since grahakadishu atma bhava is avidya nibandhana. Avidya निबंधनम यस्य आत्मभावस्य स आत्मभावो
अविद्या निबंधनः.
अविद्या निबंधनः. ग्राहकादिषु, in pramata, in indriya, in antakarana, I am that. This bhava is arising only out of avidya. In anatma, atma buddhi is because of avidya. Tasmat. Now this, after tasmat, what is given, some acharyas say that is also part of a shloka. And it is in Anushtup only. Anvaya vyatirekabhyam vibhajyanatmana swayam utpatti sthiti nasheshu yovagathyaiva vartate jagato vikaraya vehi tamasmiti nanashwaram. Anvaya vyatirekabhyam vibhajyanatmana swayam utpatti sthiti nasheshu yovagathyaiva vartate jagato vikaraya vehi tamasmiti nanashwaram. So some acharyas say there are only two lines in this. So they put one here in the introduction, Sambandhokti. Or some acharyas say there are three lines. Anvaya vyatirekabhyam anatmanaha swayam vibhajya. Vibhajya means separating. Separating oneself from anatma. How? Through anvaya vyatireka. Anvaya vyatirekabhyam swayam anatmanaha vibhajya. Anatmanaha, what is the vibhakti?
Panchami.
Panchami. Vibhajya means you should understand vivichya. If you want, you write down there. Vibhajya means vivichya. Then, utpatti sthiti nasheshu yo avagatyaiva vartate. Jagato. So, Jagato, anvaya will happen with yo avagatya avikaraya जगतो उत्पत्ति स्थिति नाशेषु वर्तते। तम अस्मि इति अवेहि न नश्वरम इति अवेहि। यो दैट विच इज अवगत्या एव अविकारया अवगत्या, इस तृतीया इत्थम भूतलक्षणे, इत्थम भावे तृतीया इत्थम भूतलक्षणे, इस द सूत्र. So this tritiya is not in karana etc. This tritiya is to show this is the swarupa. Avagatya eva. Avagati means jnanam. What is the jnanam? Avikara. Both are tritiya. Avagatya, avikaraya. Avehi. I am avikari jnanam. Avinashi jnanam. This I have to know. Which avikari jnanam I am? जगतः उत्पत्ति स्थिति नाशेषु वर्तते. That which is present as avikari in jagat utpatti sthiti nasha. That I am. Acharya says, you know yourself as this. Tam asmi iti avehi. Avehi, what is the dhatu?
वह
इणगतौ धातु. अब उपसर्ग पूर्वक इहि. What is the rupa? Ihi.
लोट लकार मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन.
लोट लकार मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन. This way you should know yourself, Acharya says. I am avikari jnanam, which is present in the utpatti sthiti nasha of this whole Brahmanda. This is who I am. In this way you should know. This is a result of clear knowledge of adhyasa. Once I know what is adhyasa nivritti, this is the jnana. And also I should know I am not nashvara. I am not vinashi. Avinashitu tadvidhi yena sarvamidam tatam. So you see, avikaraya means avinashi. Avehi means vidhi, janihi. The same thing in Gita, how many times we might have heard. But here, tam asmi, that I am. In this way I have to know. Not that there is some avikari, yena sarvamidam jagat tatam, by this whole world is pervaded. That, no, not that. Aham. सीटी का जगत उत्पत्ति स्थिति नाशेषु यह ईश्वरो अविकारया अवगत्या अवगति रूपेण वर्तते. The one who is avikaraya avagatya means avagati rupena, avagati swarupa. Tritiya is lakshana vartate. Tam aham asmi iti avehi. You understand that to be yourself. Since you are saying I am Ishvara. So Ishvara Shabda is used because Jagat Utpatti Sthiti Nashayate. What is indicated is Chaitanya, Avikari Chaitanya. That Avikari Chaitanya I am. Tam aham asmi iti avehi vijanihi. Natu nashwaram. Pramatradi rupa. This pramata, etc., they are perishable. I am not that. Now you see in this line, Jagato Vikaraya Vehi. How many shabdas are there? How many letters are there in that? How many letters are there?
9.
11.
9. How 11? Jagato Vikaraya Vehi. 9 are there. So it is not Anushtup. So Tikakar says, Bhurig Anushtup Iyam Jagato Vikaraya Vehi iti Aksharadhikyat. It is Bhurik Anushtup Chanda. When they add extra letter or there is one less letter, it is still Anushtup. Bhurik Anushtup. Otherwise, Nichrit Anushtup. तथा च पिंगलाचार्य सर्वच्छंदो विषयम आह. पिंगलाचार्य से न्यूनाधिकेन एकेन निचृत भूरिक भूरिजाविति. न्यूनाधिकेन एकेन निचृत भूरिजाविति. Either one letter extra or one letter short. Short means less. Nyuna or adhika. If it is nyuna, it is called nichrit anushtup. If it is extra, it is called bhurik anushtup. Nichrit bhurijau. The bhurik is there. Bhuhoschuhu bhurija. It will become bhurijau. तच्च एतल लोक वेद साधारणम इति भरताचार्यः प्राह. And it is loka veda sadharana. It is there in the loka. Loka means if some acharya composes, then also it is possible, or in Veda also you may find this kind of chanda. Says Bharatacharya. Tam asmi iti avehi na nashwaram. Avehi means avadharanam. Not just hear it. I have to hold on to this wisdom. I am Nashwara. I am not Nashwara. I am Avikari. I am not this Pramata, etc., which are subject to destruction. When the Jagat is destroyed, they all will go. The one only who will remain is me. इति उक्तत्वात् आत्मव्यतिरिक्तम् अपि वस्तु अंगीकृतम् इति आशंक्य. You say, I am not Nashwara, so not Nashwara means something else is there which is Nashwara. You have accepted it. If such shanka is there, tasya swatah paratascha asiddhehe pratyagaatmashraya anirvachya anadi avidya vijrumbhitatvan naivam ityaha. Those things are swatah or paratah asiddha. Anything that you say other than Atma is swatah asiddha, paratah asiddha. Pratyagatma ashraya anirvachya anadi avidya vijrumbhita. Now this is a samasa, you have to do reverse analysis. They are avidya vijrumbhita. They are creation of avidya. They are avidya karya. What is the swarup of that avidya? Anadi avidya. Avidya is anadi. And anirvachya. So anirvachya, anadi avidya. And it is pratyagatma ashraya. Pratyagatma ashrayo yasyaha. Sa pratyagatma ashraya. Pratyagatma ashraya cha anirvachya cha anadi cha. Pratyagatma ashraya anirvachya anadi Sa avidya, that is the avidya. Tasyaha vijrumbhanam is jagat, dvaita prapancha, which is nashvara. Ityaha स्वतः सिद्धात्म चैतन्य प्रतिबिंबिता विचारित सिद्धि कात्मानवबोधोत्थ इतरेतर स्वभावापेक्ष सिद्धत्वात् स्वतश्च असिद्धेः अनात्मनो द्वैतेन्द्र जालस्य स्वतः सिद्ध आत्म चैतन्य up to in the second line siddhatvat. After that you can put a comma just for yourself. At least the whole thing doesn't look one. It is, there are two parts. But first one is one part. Swatah siddha atma chaitanya pratibimbita avicarita siddhika atma anavabodha uttha itareta swabhava apeksha siddhatvat. This is the nature of Dvaitam. What is the Swarupa of Dvaitam? This is the Swarupa. It starts with Swatah Siddha. But it is not about Swatah Siddha Atma. Atma Chaitanya is Swatah Siddha. In that Atma Chaitanya, there is a Pratibimba. So Atma Chaitanya Pratibimbita. In Atma Chaitanya, what is the Pratibimbita? Avidya. That avidya is avicharita siddha. Or in Atma Chaitanya, what is Pratibimbita is Dvaita Prapancha, which is avicharita siddhika. Avicharita siddhir yasya Dvaitendra jalasya. That Dvaitendra jala is at the end. Dvaitendra jalasya. Atma anavabodhotha. Atma anavabodha means
आत्मनः अज्ञानम्
Atma Ajnana. Atma anavabodhotha, Atma Ajnanotha, itaretara swabhava apeksha siddhatvat. That which is arising from Atma Ajnana, itaretara swabhava. Itaretara swabhava means this anyanya adhyasa. Because of the anyanya adhyasa, swabhava of one Atma comes in Anatma. Through adhyasa, they are siddha. Itaretara swabhava apeksha siddhatvat. So Dvaita is adhyasa siddha, like Rajju Sarpa. And Swataha, how it is? Swatascha asiddha. Swatascha asiddhehe anatmano Dvaitendra jalasya. So Dvaitendra jalasya is Shashti. Anatmano is Shashti only. Anatmanaha Dvaitendra jalasya. Anatma, which is Dvaita Indrajala, is Swatah asiddha. Then how it is siddha? It is adhyasa siddha. Adhyasa of what and what? Adhyasa of Swatah siddha Atma Chaitanya and what is Ajnana Utthita. All of that comes together. That is how the Dvaita Indrajala around that you see appears. Starting with Ahankara. The main component of Dvaitendra Jala is this Ahankara. Aham. So, Sureshwaracharyaji's this work is known for such vakyas. like big sentences with compounds, etc. Very nice. Sitika. This Dvaita Prapancha is not Swataha Paratascha Siddha. It's Swataha Paratascha Asiddhehe. प्रत्यगात्म आश्रय अनिर्वाच्य अनादि अविद्या विजृंभित स्वतः चैतन्य प्रतिबिंबितम स्फुरितम इतरेतर स्वभाव अपेक्ष सिद्धत्वाद इति चैतन्य प्रतिबिंबितम स्फुरितम that which is becoming known only because of chaitanya. Chaitanya pratibimba is there. And itaretara swabhava apeksha siddhatva. It expects that there is adhyasa. Then it is siddha. Pratiyogino bhedena siddhau dharminas tato bhedena siddhis tat siddhau cha pratiyogino bheda siddhi riti paraspara ashrayatvad ityartha. Pratiyogino bhedena siddhau. Pratiyogi is siddha because of bheda. Dharminaha, so pratiyogino bhedena siddhau dharminaha. Tato bhedena siddhihi. So pratiyogi and dharmi, there are two. Dharmi pratiyogi. Ghata is dharmi. Pata is pratiyogi. Ghata and pata, let us take two. Ghata is dharmi, pata is pratiyogi. Pata is bhinna from ghata. Pata is different from ghata. How will you say pata is different from ghata? Between them there is bheda. So, see here now, this is ghata. This is pata. This is bheda. Ghata, pata has bheda. So, bheda you will have to put in ghata, pata bheda will be there. In pata, ghata bheda will be there. Okay. In ghata, this ghata bheda can exist?
No.
In ghata, pata bheda can exist. But in this ghata bheda cannot exist. So this bheda we can put in pata, we can put in vriksha, we can put somewhere else. But we cannot put this bheda in ghata. Why we cannot put this bheda in ghata?
Swasmada bhinna.
Because it is same thing. To decide where we can put bheda and where we cannot put bheda, we will have to use bhinnatva. In ghata we cannot put bheda because it is not bhinna. In pata we can put bheda because it is
Ghata.
bhinna, ghata bhinna. So bheda requires bhinnatva. Now what is bhinna? Bhinna is that which has bheda. भेद requires भिन्नत्वम. भिन्नत्वम requires भेद. That is this line. प्रतियोगिनो भेदेन सिद्धौ धर्मिणः ततो भेदेन सिद्धि. ततः means प्रतियोगी भेदेन सिद्धि. तत् सिद्धौ च प्रतियोगिनो भेद सिद्धि. And when dharmi siddhi happens, then we can say, oh, now I know it is different from pratiyogi. Bheda siddhi. So bheda requires bhinnatvam. Bhinnatvam requires bheda. Iti paraspara ashrayatvat. They have paraspara means anyonya ashraya. That which has anyonya ashraya is asiddha. What is the Mandukya Karika in second chapter?
आत्मभावेन नानेदं तेनापि न कथञ्चन न पृथक् न पृथक् किञ्चित् इति तत्त्वविदो विदुः.
न पृथक् न पृथंग न पृथक् किंचित इति तत्त्वविदो विदुः. नात्मभावेन नानेदम न स्वेनापि कथंचन. So we did this vichara somewhere else, Advaita Siddhi or Siddhanta Bindu somewhere. Okay, so up to this we keep, then the shloka comes. There is one announcement, so just stay back. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutrabhashakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.